How to fish in Terraria. So you cannot just stand by a tiny puddle. The game has strict mechanics you must follow. So first is you need the basic gear. So just basically craft a wooden fishing pole right here using 8 wood at a workbench. So just go close to a workbench, then find the wood fishing pole, then just basically craft it. For bait, buy a bug net from the merchant right here. So it costs you 22 silvers and 25 coppers. So you can destroy blocks right there to basically reveal the worms. Then use your bug net to catch them, just like that. Once you have your rod and bait, you must find a valid body of water. So Terraria strictly requires a pool of at least 75 connected tiles of liquid just to cast your line. However, to completely remove the heavy fishing power penalty, always use a pool with 300 or more blocks of water. So equip your rod, then collect the water to cast, just like that. Or you'd also do this to have a longer reach. Now you just simply need to wait. So if you see this movement, it means that you have catched something, or if it makes like a splash sound. If you click on too early or too late, you lose the bait and get nothing. So wait until you see that, and as you can see, I now have a trout right here. And just do the process again and again until you're satisfied with the loot you have. And that is how you basically fish in Terraria.